The interdependence of the mind, body, and consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the human experience, and understanding this relationship can provide insights into how nature works and the evolution of consciousness. Research in cognitive science and neuroscience highlights the importance of embodiment in shaping our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Our body affects our mind, and conversely, our mind influences our body. This interplay is known as the mind-body connection. The brain's neural networks are responsible for processing sensory information, regulating emotions, and controlling movements. Each neural circuit corresponds to various cognitive and behavioral processes, illustrating how the brain-body connection underlies consciousness. Our body's sensory organs receive and interpret environmental stimuli, which are then processed in the brain and become part of our conscious experience. For instance, the sense of touch informs our perception of texture, temperature, and pressure. Emotional regulation. The body's physiological responses, such as the fight or flight response, significantly influence our emotional states. Stress, fear, or joy can affect our mood, cognition, and behavior, highlighting the interplay between body and mind. Motor control. Our body's motor capabilities, like movement and action, are closely linked to conscious experience. Voluntary actions can alter our perception and influence our sense of control and agency. External factors such as light, temperature, gravity, and chemical composition of our environment significantly influence our conscious experience. Environmental changes can impact our mood, circadian rhythm, and overall well-being. Social influences, human interaction, and cultural norms can profoundly shape our consciousness. Social learning, language, and cultural practices influence our perception, values, and beliefs. Evolutionary pressures. Throughout evolution, our brain and body have adapted to specific environments, leading to the development of unique cognitive and behavioral abilities. This adaptation process is closely tied to the evolution of consciousness. The evolution of consciousness likely occurred in stages, from simple sensory awareness in early life forms to more complex cognitive processes in animals, and eventually to the sophisticated consciousness we associate with humans. Emergence of self-awareness. The development of self-awareness, as seen in primates and some species of fish, marks a critical step in the evolution of consciousness. This self-awareness enables complex social behaviors and cognitive abilities, symbolic thinking, and culture. The emergence of language and symbolic thinking in humans allowed for the creation of complex cultures, which further shaped human consciousness. Culture influences our beliefs, values, and social structures affecting our conscious experience. Nature provides the physical and social environment that influences our consciousness, while our consciousness in turn influences our environment through our actions and decisions. Co-evolution. Human consciousness has co-evolved with nature, with our brain and body adapting to environmental pressures. This adaptation has led to significant cognitive and behavioral changes, further shaping our relationship with the environment. Non-locality. Some theories suggest that consciousness is non-local, existing beyond the spatial and temporal constraints of the physical world. This perspective raises intriguing questions about the relationship between consciousness and nature. Understanding the interdependence of mind, body, and consciousness can provide profound insights into how nature works and how consciousness evolves. By examining the intricate relationships between our body, mind, and environment, we can better grasp the complex dynamics of consciousness and its place within the natural world. In summary, the evolution of consciousness is a gradual process, with each phase building upon the previous one. The interplay between nature and consciousness shapes our experiences, influencing the development of our mind-body system. As we better understand these intricate relationships, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of consciousness and our place within the natural world.